Meaning of diplomatically.
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 Diplomatically. Diplomatically pertains to actions or decisions that are made in a tactful, careful, and sensitive manner in order to avoid offending or causing conflict with others. When something is done diplomatically, it means that the individual or group involved has taken measures to ensure that their actions will not lead to negative consequences or harm relationships with other parties. Diplomatic actions may involve compromise, negotiation, and the ability to effectively communicate with others. Ultimately, the result of diplomatic actions should be a positive outcome that benefits all parties involved.